is a type of machine learning that involves training agents to take actions in an environment in order to maximize a cumulative reward signal. RL is inspired by the way that animals learn through trial and error, and it has been successfully applied to a wide range of problems, from game playing to robotics to recommendation systems. In RL, the agent learns by interacting with the environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. The agent's goal is to learn a policy that maps states to actions in a way that maximizes its cumulative reward over time. The agent explores the environment by taking actions, and its policy is updated based on the rewards it receives. RL algorithms typically use one or two approaches, value-based or policy-based. In the value-based approach, the agent learns to estimate the value of each state or state action pair, and chooses actions that maximize the expected value. In the policy-based approach, the agent learns a direct mapping from states to actions, without explicitly estimating the value of each state or action. RL algorithms can be challenging to train, as the agent must balance exploration of the environment to find optimal actions with exploitation of the actions that are currently known to be good. Techniques like Q-learning, policy gradients, and actor-critic methods have been developed to help agents learn effectively in different types of environments. RL has been used to achieve impressive results in a wide range of applications, from game playing to robotics to recommendation systems. For example, RL has been used to train agents to play complex games like Go and Dota 2 at a superhuman level, and to control robots to perform complex tasks like grasping and manipulation. RL is a powerful technique that holds great promise for solving many difficult problems in the future. For more knowledge, like, share and subscribe. AS Machine Learning Hub.